New to Excel? No worries. In this video, I'll walk you through essential tips every beginner should know, from entering data to basic formulas. Let's make Excel easy. Start by clicking any cell and typing in your data. Use the arrow keys or mouse to move between cells. It's just like filling out a digital table. Now, if you want to numbering these items, you don't have to type the number one by one anymore. Instead, enter 1, 2, try it down, then click on small arrow and select Field Series. With this, it will automatically fill in series of numbers instantly. Need more space? Just tap Ctrl-A to highlight all the sheets. Then click on the lines. Then rows and columns will automatically fit on every words. If you want to sort these items from sort A to Z, click on Sort A to Z. Tap Sort, and boom! Now arrange alphabetically. Creating formula should never be a problem. Let's say, if you want to get that total amount of these items, simply enter equal sign. Click the cell of the price, multiply symbol, and quantity cell, then hit enter. Now, Excel gives you the total amount. Excel is really amazing because by dragging this cell, all the formula will automatically be copied. Let's talk about filter arrows, one of the most useful tools for organizing data fast. Just select your data, head to the Data tab, then click Filter. You will see little arrows appear in your column headers. Click one of those arrows. For example, you can choose to only show printer entries. Filtered rows will temporarily hide, making it easier to focus on what matters. Alright? Lastly, highlight your data. And see that little box in the lower right corner? That's the Quick Analysis tool. Click it, and this gives you instant access to useful tools like formatting, charts, totals, tables, and even sparklines without manually adding formulas. It's a great way to explore Excel's power without getting overwhelmed. And that's it. I hope this helps. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech quick tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.